Old Tony had like 30 of these.
There's scratches on the window.
I don't know what happened to him though.
There's scratches on the window. You can see them.
Yeah, that's not good. Ooh. Oh no, this might have a little glare.
Year and a half to go from there to this.
Nice. Wow.
I gotta get all the way. Someone wanted to take a picture.
Huh? Oh my.
I'll take your picture in there.
Hear that?
Yes. Something was in my eye though. Did it darken in the eye or something? Ouch.
I don't know if these things are picking all this up or not. We'll find out, I guess. Wow. Wow. Definitely. See, let's balance you out a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Wow.
Yeah, someone wanted to take a picture with the phone.
So these things are shit because I'm chasing a man. Because they have like little. So you see, this is where it's attached, but it's not like a screw or anything.
There we go.
Useful because I don't know what cord was on when they made this thing, but it broke off.
Right.
And Dennis tried to super glue it in.
Hmm?
And then
Go
it
ahead.
didn't work with super glue because it's metal. And then he tried it with duct tape, and now everything is full of duct tape and it sucks. So, yeah, I guess. Whatever, we don't need a glove box. He needs new letters.
Duct tape.
Whatever works.